Hi friends, welcome back. Today let us see how to make a pizza sauce at home. It's a very easy recipe. For the sauce, here I have taken 4 large tomatoes, 1 onion and 1 full pod of garlic, peeled and sliced. Into a pan, let us take 1 tablespoon of butter and add 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds and add the sliced garlic, saute it and add one onion chopped. Cook it till it turns translucent. Into this add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can add chili powder according to your taste. Add a few basil leaves, fresh or dry basil. Stir well. Add the chopped tomatoes. Into this add salt to taste and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Cook the tomatoes till it turns mushy. Now the tomatoes are nicely cooked and it has become soft. Add some oregano. Mix well and we'll blend this when it is cooled. Transfer it into the jar of a mixer grinder and blend it. Now the pizza sauce is ready. So please try the recipe and give your feedback. Thank you for watching. Take care, stay safe. Bye.